How to enable automatic page translation on Facebook using your iPhone. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Now, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. And then tap Settings. Scroll down and look for the Language and Region option. Tap on it. Here, you'll see several language settings for Facebook. Look for the option related to translation or language for buttons, titles, and other text from Facebook, depending on your Facebook app version. You can also check the Languages You Don't Want to Be Automatically Translated section. Make sure the language you want Facebook to translate isn't listed there. Next, look for Languages You'd Like to Have Automatically Translated or a similar translation option. Select the languages you want Facebook to translate automatically. For example, I have chosen English language to translate. Once you've configured these settings, go back to your Facebook feed. When you come across a post or page written in another language, Facebook should automatically offer a translation based on your language preferences. You can also tap See Translation underneath a post whenever the option appears. And that's how you can enable automatic page translation on Facebook using your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.